Hey everyone, thank you guys so much for tuning back into my channel. My name is Kimberly and you're watching Lovely Overload. Today's video is going to be a quick twist out to show you how I achieve these curls on my natural hair. Psych, I'm just playing. This is a quick weave by Sensational. It is called Ssshhh. I probably pronounced that wrong, but I'll definitely have all the deets and information in the info box below, so feel free to check it out. I feel like this is an amazing style. It just costs $10 online on some places, $20 in the beauty supply store. I feel like it's a very natural looking wig. People always ask, is this my hair? I do leave out my perimeter, and in the video I will show you guys exactly how I achieve this look. So if you're interested, keep watching. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your wig cap, just a plain black wig cap, put it on your head. I don't braid because I don't know how to braid on my own hair, especially any hair at all. I'm that black girl who never learned. So you're just going to pull the wig cap back just a little bit to expose your edges, like so. Then I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to just take it and pull my edges from under the wig cap. And this is the hair that I'm gonna blend with the quick weave. There's no exact science to it, just getting out a little bit of the edges. And the rest stays tucked under the wig cap. This is the unit that I'm gonna be applying. This is the Sensational quick weave. It comes with 2 combs, one in the front and one in the back. It also has the drawstring for tightness. I always set mine on the loosest setting. And very simple, I always do the front first. So I'm gonna tuck it directly in this kind of parting that I've made. That's not neat at all, but I'm gonna place this comb in that parting. And voila, you're done. No, I'm kidding. Now for the back, you're gonna pull it down. You're gonna take this comb, make sure there's no hair stuck in the comb. And then I'm gonna bring that comb under and just tuck it in. And then you come on your sides, bring it down. I'm not attaching anything here, I'm just pulling it down. And the same for the back. I like to give myself a couple of neck rotations, make sure my combs are not pulling and that they're laying correctly. A little shake for security, check. Okay, so now we're gonna blend in the front. And to do that, I use Eco Styler gel as well as a little bit of edge control. So you just take some gel. And I'm just putting this on my hair that was left out. All the way from the root to the ends. And then you take a brush and take it up. Into the edge. You can also always rod your hair if it's much longer than mine. I still have a TWA, so I can get away with doing a little bit less, because you're not going to have really strong definition at your root anyway. Get as creative as you want. Now, I mess with the shape. This wig, when you first get it, it comes in very, very tight ringlet curls. Very defined. Very tight. So I just kind of kept pulling my fingers through, stretching. It's always good. But not like dragging your fingers through and creating too much frizz. But a little bit of frizz is cool. It looks more natural. See? Put this part in your face a little bit. And that's it. Very simple, easy, nice summertime, cheap hair. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave them below. Thank you guys so much for watching.